Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today, I will be showing you how to make a very delicious hamburger sliders. Wow, perfect for summer, 4th of July, small gatherings, snackings. And we will be using my favorite smokeless grill. We're gonna grill indoor. Yes, you heard me right. You don't have to go outside and be under the very hot weather. By using our smokeless grill, you're gonna be able to do an indoor grilling. So, our ingredients are 2 pounds of ground premium beef, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and we have here 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. And then later on, we're gonna add ground pepper. And of course, we have our hamburger buns, okay? So let's get started. Now, all we need to do is put our ground beef on our large bowl, okay? And then combine all of our ingredients. Okay, we have here the Dijon mustard and our thyme, kosher salt, and the minced garlic. Okay, so just like so. We're gonna add some peppers too. At least 4 times squeeze. And then all we need to do is gently combine all the ingredients together. Okay, look at that. All right. And then as we mix them together, later on, we're gonna form a patty and then we're gonna start grilling it. Okay, so we'll start forming our patties, okay? We're just gonna put a little bit amount here and then we're gonna make like a bowl and then flatten it a little bit, just like so. And then we're gonna create a little dent in the middle using your thumb, just like that, you know, just like a crater. So when the beef starts cooking and then the beef rises, it remains flat until or while it cooks. Now we will be back with the remainder of the beef. Now it's time to start grilling our patties. So what I have here is my smokeless grill. I added water. There's an indicator on how much level you can put the water in. And then I just kind of preheat this for like about 2 minutes just to get it started, okay? So all we need to do is just start placing our formed patties on top of our smokeless grill. Just like that. Yes, yes, yes. Your family will definitely enjoy this easy sliders, hamburger sliders, grilled on your smokeless broiler. Now that our patties are on the smokeless grill, we're gonna cover it. You know, the time is really depends on the doneness that you want. Basically, 5 minutes with cover will give you a medium well. Okay, if you want it well done, then you just have to add a minute or 2. So let's cover it, and I'm using my turkey roaster cover. We'll be back after 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes is up. We are ready to check our patties. All right, okay. So let's start flipping. Wow. Ooh. Now we're gonna cover it again and wait for 5 more minutes. Smells good. Now our hamburger sliders are ready. To finish it up, you can add your condiments, your favorite condiments, and a little bit of lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. Wow! So you are now ready for your 4th of July party. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!